Roadster. Enthusiastic, fascinating and ready to reinterpret freedom. For unconditional driving pleasure, as far as the road goes. From the first glimpse of the iconic design, adrenaline levels rise. The tachometer shoots up just as fast. The innovative plug-in hybrid engine generates 374 HP and 570 Nm and accelerates the BMW i8 Roadster from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.6 seconds. The fastest route to experience a new form of freedom. The ultimate presence. The BMW i8 Roadster reveals itself as futuristic right down to the last detail. Its progressive lines speak a formal language that can hardly be more dynamic. The most striking feature, the imposing lightweight carbon fiber hinged doors, which can be opened comfortably. The athletic front continues to display the individual character of the car and proudly bears the BMW double kidney, flanked by full LED headlights and free space. The interior of the BMW i8 Roadster also underscores its unique character. This is immediately apparent from the exclusive feature line Acero Amido/e-Copper. The interior also reflects the dynamic lines of the exterior design, creating a futuristic dynamic throughout the cockpit. The center cockpit is inclined to the driver and the controls are arranged intuitively, ensuring maximum driver orientation and clarity. Optimum lateral support and maximum comfort are provided by the new electrically imposing wheels. Perfectly topping up the brilliant appearance, the 20 light alloy wheels 516 in jet black matte. Its characteristic rim design not only refers directly to a genuine BMW i, but also fits perfectly with the iconic appearance of the BMW i8 Roadster. A direct sign. You can't miss the Roadster emblem. It proudly stands out on the distinctly shaped side panels and the rear panel, both in black matte. A prime example of how to make your mark. Charging or refueling both are easy to handle in the new BMW i8 Roadster with the comprehensive product and service package 360 degrees electric. At home, you can easily charge your BMW i8 with the BMW i wall box or the charging cable if you wish. You can also use sustainable generated electricity from BMW Green Energy powered by Naturstrom. A personalized consultation, the professional assembly and the initial setup are all ensured by a qualified electrician. On the road, you'll find an ever-growing number of public charging stations that you can easily use with the Charge Now card. Find out where the next charging station is with the Charge Now app or, alternatively, directly in your BMW i8 Roadster, for example, via the fully networked BMW Connected Drive services for navigation. Consumption. CO2 emissions combined in G/km. 46.0. CO2 efficiency. A+. 2.1. Drive. System output in kW, HP. 275, 374. Electric motor, output in kW. 105.0. Internal combustion engine, cylinders/valves. 3/4. Internal combustion engine, capacity in CCM. 1.499. Internal combustion engine, stroke/bore in mm. 94.6/82.0. Internal combustion engine, max. Output in kW, HP, at 1/min. 170, 231/5,800-6,000. Internal combustion engine, max. Torque in Nm at 1/min. 320/3,700. Internal combustion engine, compression ratio, 1. Range and charge time. Electric range in km. 53. Electric range, mean customer value, in km. Up to 30. Maximum total range in km *. 440. Growth capacity of lithium-ion battery in kilowatt-hour. 11,6. Charging time of high-voltage battery in H at 3.7 kW/12A, 80%. 2.5. Charging time of high-voltage battery in H at 16A, wallbox, 80%. Performance. Maximum speed on purely electric power in km/h. 120.0. Maximum speed in kilometer per hour. 250.0. Acceleration from 0-60 km per hour on purely electric power in seconds. 4.5. Acceleration from 0-100 km per hour in seconds. 4.6. Elasticity from 80-120 km per hour in seconds, 4th gear. 3.5. Elasticity from 80-120 km per hour in seconds, 5th gear. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us for more interesting reviews by subscribing to our channel.